Oh yeah, look at that. Haha, welcome back guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope guys, it is great. All right, get a phone call. Customer had another dryer, wound up buying a new one. Now this one's giving, you know, the normal codes for blockage. So, y'all ready to find it? I am. Walking around the house, finding the dryer vent, and I have the dryer running, and I've been around here already, so. But look guys, nothing. Zero airflow. Let me get some other toys, and we're gonna crawl underneath. I'm gonna find out what's up. Oh man, here we go. So of course, crawl space is on the far side of the house. You guys know how it goes. Oh man, the spider web right at the get. No, get off. All right, so I've got to go to the other end, and I'm trying to find my best path. I'm thinking it's gonna be maybe through there. We're gonna, only one way to find out, I guess. Hit that like button, guys. All right, I still don't see it. All right, guys, instead of me trying to do all this and film it, I'll pick back up when I get over there. Oh, man. All right, so after searching and searching, see it running across right there. And, well, I mean, I don't know if I can show you guys. Yeah, so it's running a straight path all the way out to there. All right, but remember, we're looking for where it's broken, because I know it is. It has to be. This is weird. Yep. So there's part of the problem right there, folks. I wonder if... All right, guys, as you can see, this is why I don't have a reason to tape or a way to capture the footage. But all right, so we're back in business, and I actually put this additional strap there to stop it from popping apart again. Let's see if I can get you a better view. So as I nap here on this nice plumbing pipe, now it's time to clean the dryer vent. Y'all ready? All right, so show you guys behind here. Now, yes, I will be shortening this flex hose. However, if you guys see, in the grand scheme of things, it's not the worst in the world. It's just long. So, please hit that like button, guys. It doesn't cost you anything. It just helps me so much more. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I can't believe how many new subs I've gotten just in the past 2 weeks. It's blowing my mind. I'm humbled. But let's clean out a dryer vent. And check this out, guys. Just from me turning the machine on and hooking everything back up, that's how much we got out. But we still have no airflow, dude. Don't let that flap opening fool you. Let's take a reading real quick. That needs to be a lot higher than 740 something, 720 something. All right, guys. Let's clean out this dryer vent and see if we can get more than 700. Oh yeah, look at that. That flow's getting better, but it's still not where it should be. All right, so there's that elbow. Yep, there's the elbow. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Woo. All right, guys. I don't have much choice. I've got to blow this out. All right, so back inside. Turn that machine off. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, see, what's the point in this? And just absolutely unnecessary stuff. I have plenty to bite on with that. Look at that clean bite. Almost clean bite. Now it is. So, like normal, take my blow. Oh, ooh, ooh. Alright. I give GoPro enough grief. I shouldn't do it to him myself. Alright. So like normal, I'm going to have this thing turned on, but not plugged in yet. I'm going to use the machine to hold it in place for me. Push the machine back. Bing, bang, boom. Hold on a second. Now, theoretically, that should hold it in place. We're going to hope. See, even though it was a vertical vent, it was no problem. The machine still held it in place long enough to do what we needed to do. Man, that was tough. So, hopefully y'all can see back there. That looks a lot better. A lot better. Now, to go and test some airflow. All right, back outside. Dryer's running. Wow, goodness. But we'll get that up. Holy moly. Well, y'all can hear it, I'm sure, by now, but let's do airflow. Oh, let me get it right. Seventeen, 18. Let's go, baby. That was a difference, guys. That's a huge difference between what I did behind the machine, brushing it out, of course, fixing underneath the house first. We've gained, what, over 1,000? Rock on, guys. If you made it this far, I appreciate each and every one of you. Please hit that like button. please consider subscribing. Share it. Send it to your mom. Send it to your neighbor. Send it to whoever. Send it to Santa Claus. I don't care. But remember, Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope. It is great for certain situations. Not every situation there are comment warriors. Not every, but in a vast majority. We'll see you on the next one.